Hey guys, look at what I found. I was coming down the street and this is what I found. It's a vaping pen. Yeah. So I took it apart to see what I was really curious to see what's inside of it. I took it apart and this is what I got. Seems that this is a liquid container or something. This is a resistor that evaporates the liquid. And this is a battery, the end cap. But I found this to be extremely wasteful. And why is that? Because this looks like a lithium ion battery. Yeah, it's a small one, but still, really wasteful. This could be, this is likely reusable, rechargeable, and all that, but yet we throw it away like it's nothing. And look at this. The end part seems to be a microphone where it kind of senses the airflow when you vape on it. You know, when you pull air through it. There's a channel here, like that, yeah. And there's an LED right in the middle of there, showing that it's on. Unfortunately, using the camera at the same time, I can't show you this, but if you blow air on it, it's gonna turn on. And I'm curious what else could this be used for? Like, what would you use it for? Like a storm warning, something? I don't know. Or a solar power thing, you know, to turn on a or release the brakes on a windmill when air is blowing through it. I don't know. Maybe this is too simple uh, to be used for anything, except in using the battery, of course. I'm curious what you guys have to say. What do you guys think? Besides the fact that this is extremely wasteful. We're wasting so many resources with this. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't. I'll be able to show you more not so boring videos.